We're at 408 in Ocean Forest Plaza, and this is a true ocean view, basically oceanfront, one bedroom condo. Now, I'm gonna get to the bedroom last because when you're looking at places with an ocean view, the first thing you wanna see is the ocean view. I'm just walking right into the living room here, ceramic tile. The kitchen's been remodeled. You've got nice cabinets, stainless steel appliances, great countertops, plenty of room. There's me, hi. But yeah, what you wanna see is you wanna see the ocean. So we got a view looking out towards the beach here, pool, great sunrises, great sunsets, great covered balcony here. Looking right out on the ocean. People out there swimming. We are in what's called the cabana section of Myrtle Beach. So no oceanfront buildings can be built right here. The only thing that can be built are one-story beach cabanas. That's deed restricted. It's been that way since the early 1900s. A little bit of Myrtle Beach trivia. This is the site where the old Ocean Forest Hotel used to be that was torn down, I think in 1972, but it was built back in the teens or 20s. Anyway, great location, close to everything. This is not a very touristy area of the beach. We have residential homes to the north of us and residential homes to the south of us. It's just this one little section here where there happen to be some condos. Great kitchen. There's a full bath here with updated sink. There's me again. Tub shower. And then there's a whole nother sink here in the master bedroom. Ceramic tile that goes into carpet. And a really good size master bedroom here. You got a queen size bed, armoire, dressers, and then a window that goes out to the hallway. So this is a great one bedroom ocean view condo in Ocean Forest Plaza. Great location right in the middle of Myrtle Beach. For more information, give me a call. My name's Jay with Century 21 Boling. All my contact information is right below in the YouTube comment section.